In 2025, the home office has evolved beyond a mere work area. It's now a sanctuary that promotes productivity, comfort, and style. Whether you're working remotely full-time, part-time, or just need a space to handle occasional tasks, your home office can be a hub of creativity and efficiency. We'll explore the latest interior design trends and innovative hacks to help you design a modern, functional, and inspiring home office space. From smart technology integration to sustainable materials, these tips will help you create an office that reflects your personal style and enhances your workflow. 1. Prioritize ergonomics with smart furniture. When it comes to designing a modern home office, comfort should always come first. In 2025, ergonomic furniture is more than just a trend, it's a necessity for improving your posture, reducing physical strain, and enhancing productivity. The key here is to invest in a high-quality ergonomic chair with adjustable features like lumbar support, armrests, and seat height. A chair that can support your spine properly will help you maintain focus throughout long workdays without physical discomfort. Look for chairs that use breathable fabrics and are customizable to fit your unique body shape. Equally important is a sit-stand desk. These desks have become essential in modern home office setups because they allow you to alternate between sitting and standing, which can reduce fatigue and promote better circulation. Many sit-stand desks are now electric, so you can easily adjust their height with the push of a button. Some even come with built-in cable management systems to keep cords organized and out of sight. Additionally, invest in a monitor arm or adjustable stand. This ensures that your screen is at eye level, preventing neck and back strain. For those using multiple devices, a docking station or integrated multi-screen setup can keep everything organized and easy to access. 2. Embrace biophilic design for wellness. One of the most influential design trends for home offices in 2025 is biophilic design, which integrates natural elements into interior spaces. This design philosophy has been shown to reduce stress, improve mood, and increase creativity, all essential for a productive workspace. Start by introducing plants into your home office. Opt for low-maintenance varieties like succulents, snake plants, or peace lilies that can thrive in various lighting conditions. Plants purify the air and provide a calming atmosphere, making them perfect companions for a focused workday. Vertical planters, hanging pots, or even a plant wall can help maximize space while creating a lush environment. Additionally, natural materials like wood, stone, and bamboo can add warmth and texture to the space. A wood desk, stone desk lamp, or bamboo shelves can subtly infuse nature into your office. Incorporate natural light as much as possible. Try to place your desk near a window to take advantage of sunlight. If this isn't possible, daylight mimicking LED lights are an excellent substitute. Finally, think about introducing calming colors inspired by nature. Soft greens, earthy tones, and neutrals will make your workspace feel grounded and serene. These hues not only enhance the aesthetic but also promote mental clarity and relaxation. 3. Incorporate smart technology for a streamlined workspace. The future of home office design is heavily influenced by smart technology, and 2025 offers a wide range of innovations that can streamline your work process and make your space more efficient. One of the most impactful smart additions you can make is a voice-controlled assistant. Whether it's Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or Apple Siri, a smart speaker can handle a variety of tasks, such as setting reminders, playing productivity-enhancing music, controlling lighting, or even adjusting your office's temperature with a smart thermostat. These devices make multitasking easier, so you can stay focused without disrupting your workflow. Next, consider investing in wireless charging stations for your devices. A clutter-free desk is essential for maintaining focus, and wireless charging pads eliminate the need for tangled cords. Look for multi-device chargers that can handle everything from your smartphone to your tablet, and even your laptop. Many modern desks come equipped with built-in wireless charging spaces, so you can integrate this seamlessly into your setup. Another great tech hack is upgrading your desk lighting with smart, customizable LED bulbs. These lights can be adjusted in terms of brightness and color temperature, allowing you to set the ideal lighting based on the time of day or your mood. For instance, a cool white light in the morning can energize you, while a warmer hue in the evening can create a more relaxed atmosphere. Lastly, cloud-based storage solutions and collaboration tools should be part of your office tech arsenal. With the rise of remote work and online collaboration, cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox ensure that all your important files are accessible anywhere, anytime. Collaboration tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams help streamline communication and ensure you stay connected with colleagues and clients. 4. Optimize for space with multifunctional furniture. In modern home office design, space optimization is key, especially if you're working from a smaller area. Multifunctional furniture is an essential hack for 2025, allowing you to make the most of every inch without compromising on comfort or style. For instance, invest in a foldable desk or a wall-mounted desk that can be easily tucked away when not in use. This type of furniture is perfect for smaller apartments or home offices that double as a guest room or lounge space. Another smart option is modular shelving, which allows you to customize your storage to fit your needs. With movable shelves, you can create a clutter-free environment while keeping your office essentials within reach. Consider multifunctional seating, like an office chair that doubles as a guest seat or a lounge chair with hidden storage compartments. If you need a break during your workday, a cozy armchair or sofa can help create a relaxing corner for reading or thinking. Choose pieces that are compact and practical, such as a coffee table with hidden drawers for storing documents or office supplies. For those in need of more storage, opt for a combination of open shelving and closed cabinets. Open shelving helps display decorative items like books, plants, or framed artwork, while closed cabinets can hide away clutter and keep your space neat. Even under-desk storage solutions like filing cabinets or rolling carts can help keep the floor area clean and organized. 5. Focus on personalization and inspiration. Your home office should be more than just a functional space. It should inspire you and reflect your personal style. In 2025, the emphasis is on creating an environment that motivates you to do your best work while making you feel comfortable and at home. Start with art and decor that resonates with you. Whether it's an inspiring painting, a motivational quote, or framed photographs of loved ones, surrounding yourself with items that bring you joy can boost creativity and mood. Customizable wall art options, such as magnetic boards or peel-and-stick wallpaper, allow you to change your workspace's look easily when you're craving something new. For added personality, use statement furniture or colorful accents. A bold accent chair, vibrant desk accessories, or a striking rug can transform the space and make it uniquely yours. Consider incorporating elements from your hobbies or passions, whether it's a musical instrument, travel memorabilia, or design books. These personal touches make the space feel more comfortable and engaging. Lighting is another important aspect of personalization. A statement desk lamp, an eye-catching chandelier, or even string lights can not only illuminate your workspace but also add a decorative flair. Adjustable lighting fixtures let you control the ambience depending on the task at hand, whether you're reading, brainstorming, or video conferencing. Finally, keep your space clutter-free with stylish storage solutions. Choose storage boxes or baskets that match your office's aesthetic while keeping your documents and office supplies organized. A clutter-free space reduces mental fatigue and allows you to focus better on your work. 6. Sustainable design for an eco-friendly office. As sustainability becomes a growing priority, designing an eco-friendly office is not only responsible but also increasingly accessible. For 2025, sustainable office design focuses on reducing your carbon footprint while creating a space that's both functional and stylish. Start by opting for furniture made from recycled or sustainable materials. Many brands now offer desks, chairs, and shelving units made from bamboo, reclaimed wood, or recycled plastic. These materials are durable, stylish, and better for the planet than traditional furniture. Incorporate energy-efficient appliances like LED lighting, which uses less electricity and lasts longer than conventional bulbs. When choosing tech gadgets, look for Energy Star-rated devices that are designed to consume less power while maintaining high performance. Another great eco-friendly hack is using plant-based or non-toxic paints for your walls. These paints are free from harmful chemicals and promote better indoor air quality. You can even create your own DIY planters or decorations from upcycled materials to give your office a personal, eco-conscious touch. By embracing sustainability in your home office design, you're not only creating a healthier workspace for yourself but also contributing to a healthier planet. Designing a modern home office in 2025 involves blending functionality, aesthetics, and technology to create a space that inspires productivity and creativity. By prioritizing ergonomics, incorporating biophilic design, embracing smart technology, optimizing for space, personalizing with style, and committing to sustainability, you can create an office that works as hard as you do. Whether you're a remote worker, a creative professional, or a part-time freelancer, the right home office environment can significantly enhance your focus, motivation, and overall well-being. With these interior design hacks, you can build a workspace that's not only efficient, but truly enjoyable to work in every day.